When it comes to traveling with a baby, staying organized is key. In this video, we will discuss the importance of being organized and explain why having a reliable diaper bag is essential. Traveling with a baby can be challenging, and having everything you need easily accessible is crucial. A well-organized diaper bag ensures that you can quickly find diapers, wipes, and other essentials without any hassle. It also helps to prevent items from getting misplaced or lost during your travels. So, investing in a high-quality diaper bag with multiple compartments and ample storage space is a smart choice. With a reliable diaper bag, you can have peace of mind and enjoy your travels with your baby. When it comes to choosing a diaper bag for traveling with a baby, practicality and storage are crucial factors to consider. In this segment, we will discuss the various diaper bag options available that offer ample storage space and multiple compartments to keep all the essentials organized. These bags are designed specifically for traveling, with features like insulated bottle pockets, dedicated diaper compartments, and separate pockets for wipes, pacifiers, and extra clothes. The spacious design allows you to pack everything you need for your baby's comfort without sacrificing organization. So, when selecting a diaper bag for travel, look for options that prioritize practicality and provide sufficient storage to keep you well prepared on your journeys. When choosing a diaper bag for travel with a baby, durability and quality are paramount. In this section, we emphasize the importance of selecting a diaper bag made from durable and high-quality materials. Traveling can put bags through rigorous conditions, including being bumped and jostled during transportation. A well-made diaper bag ensures that it can withstand such situations without tearing or breaking. Look for bags made from waterproof and stain-resistant fabrics that can easily be wiped clean. Additionally, strong zippers and sturdy straps are essential for long-lasting performance. By investing in a diaper bag that prioritizes durability and quality, you can have peace of mind knowing that it will stand up to the demands of travel. In this section, we delve into the convenience and accessibility features that make a diaper bag ideal for travel. When choosing a diaper bag for travel, look for easy access pockets that allow you to quickly grab essential items without rummaging through the entire bag. Some diaper bags also come with stroller attachments, enabling you to securely attach the bag to your stroller for hands-free convenience. Comfortable straps are another important feature to consider, as they ensure that carrying the bag for extended periods is comfortable and strain-free. By selecting a diaper bag that offers these convenience and accessibility features, you can make your travel experience with your baby much easier and more enjoyable. When it comes to selecting a diaper bag for travel, style and design play a significant role. In this segment, we emphasize the importance of finding a diaper bag that suits your personal style and preferences while still being functional for travel. Diaper bags come in a wide range of styles, from sleek and modern to more traditional or whimsical designs. It is essential to choose a bag that resonates with your personal taste and makes you feel confident while on the go. However, it's equally important to ensure that the bag is also highly functional, with the necessary compartments and features to keep you organized during your travels. By striking a balance between style and functionality, you can find a diaper bag that not only meets your aesthetic preferences but also fulfills your practical needs while traveling with your baby. In conclusion, we have discussed the importance of choosing a well-organized diaper bag for hassle-free traveling with a baby. Throughout the video, we explored various key points, such as practicality and storage, durability and quality, convenience and accessibility, and style and design. By opting for a diaper bag that offers ample storage space and multiple compartments, you can keep all the essentials organized. Additionally, selecting a bag made from durable and high-quality materials ensures that it can withstand the rigors of travel. Features like easy access pockets, stroller attachments, and comfortable straps make the bag convenient and accessible. Lastly, finding a diaper bag that suits your personal style while still being functional is crucial. By considering these factors, you can choose a diaper bag that meets all your needs and ensures a smooth and enjoyable travel experience with your baby.